watching this video, you've already received your TouchUpDirect order and you have a color match issue. There are a lot of ways that a color match issue can come up, but regardless, if you submit the information below, we will process it ASAP and get your replacement sent quickly. The first step is to confirm your color code. Make sure that the paint you receive from us matches the color code that's on your vehicle. Step 2 helps us visualize the difference between the color you received and the color you need. Every TouchUpDirect order comes with a test card. Apply some paint to the test card with good coverage. Apply Clearcoat over it. Clearcoat will impact the final color. Hold the test card to your car, take a picture, and submit it to us. Step 3 is just additional information that's useful for us. The year, make, model, a brief description of how the color is off, for example, too light, too dark, perhaps the metallic is too coarse. Any of this type of information is useful. All of these steps will enable us to process your replacement quickly. Thank you for being a TouchUpDirect customer.